Alright, welcome back to Explain Everything video session number 2. The first session we went over all these tools on the left hand side, how you can draw on things, add text, add videos and pictures, so on and so forth, right down the line there. This session we want to take a look at creating a presentation and recording it so we can share it as a video with other people. So the first thing I would do is go ahead and create some slides here just so you can kind of see what's going on. So I'm going to write them up. So here I have slide 1 again. I'm going to create a new slide over here on the top left with the green plus sign, and I want to create one more slide, and now I have 3 slides available. I'm going to bounce back here down here in the bottom left hand corner to slide 1 to start. Now if I'm a teacher or a student and I need to demonstrate my knowledge of something, I would want to record that so you have my audio and you also have whatever I do on the screen. So I will take slide number 1, get this out of the way just so we can see what's going on. And now I might take and go ahead and hit the record button. So right down here are my record features. The red button's record. The little triangle is the playback button, and this is to fast forward or rewind the recording that you've made. So this is how we would record. I'm going to go ahead and hit the red record button and then dictate something and do a screen capture on it. So here we go. Alright, my math problem today is 2 plus 2 equals 4, so I'm going to write this out. 2 plus 2 equals 4. What this means is I have 2 objects plus 2 more objects, and if I was to count these, I'd have, if I was to count these little dots right here, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so that makes my answer 4. Okay, I stopped recording there. I could go on to the next slide if I wanted to, and what happened, I'll go and go to slide 2 and I'll go ahead and start recording again. So let me hit the record button. Alright, now it's recording me again. On this slide, it keeps track of everything by the slide itself. So I'm on slide 2, you notice the time started over. I'm going to go to slide 3 and watch what happens. Down here in the bottom, the time started over. This is where most people get confused. It records things slide by slide by slide, so you could play it back individually by each slide. When you go to export the movie, it will put it all together as one seamless movie, not as each individual slide. So just keep that in mind. If you want to do a full-on presentation, you could do that slide by slide by slide, and then it puts it together in a full movie. Alright, so I'm going to stop this recording, and I'm going to go back to slide 1, and then I'll play it back so you can see what it looks like. I made a recording. I'm going to hit the green triangle down here. Alright, my math problem today, 2 plus 2 equals 4, so I'm going to write this out. 2 plus 2 equals 4. What this means is that I have... Okay, I went in and paused that because we don't need to watch that whole thing again, but you notice it was playing it back what I did, and it also recorded my audio as well. You might not be able to hear it very well because I was playing it through my speakers here on my desk, but it records it back, sends it back to us so we can watch what's going on. So that's how we can record. Then in the next video segment, we're going to take a look at exporting, and again, when you export, it'll make it all one movie versus each individual slide here. So that's the next video segment.